one NYX video tutorial I was following during this is no longer available. I couldn't find anything that looked exactly like her eyeliner, but I'll insert an image that looks as close as possible so you can follow along.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liana. You may notice that I have my entire face of makeup on except for mascara and eyeliner, and that is because I am going to be doing some Halloween eyeliner, or at least trying to. This is something I've never really done before, so I'm not sure how successful I'll be. But I do have a reference. I'm going to be looking at some photos, some videos, and seeing what I can come up with. I was thinking of doing maybe a bat on one eye and a spider web on the other, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So I'll pull you in a little bit closer so you can watch me hopefully succeed, and if not, I guess I'll fail and you can have a laugh. I figured I left enough space in this area so you can look at whatever I'm looking at in this area here, and then you can see me over here, and let's just see what we can do. I actually just saw a video yesterday by, I think her name is NYX. She's Dutch, and she had easy Halloween ideas using only eyeliner, so maybe I'll follow her video and see what happens, because I know she did do a spider web and a bat. Yeah, I'll try the spider web from her. I don't know if she did full-on bat eyeliner or just drew little bats. So I'm going to start with the spider web. I'm going to try using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. My friend Camille sent this over from the US. I've only used this a couple of times. The first time I used it was really, really liquidy, and so she told me to store it upright and to wipe it off a little bit. And so the second time I used it, it was a little bit better. So I think I'll do a spider web on this eye since it looks a little bit easier, and this eye is my worst, the worst of the two eyes. So starting with a line sort of. And of course my eyes are deep set, so it may not look 100% straight when I open like that. It's going to look kind of curved. So she's drawn 5 different lines. Oh boy, my eye shape is a lot different than hers. Might behoove me to draw one more. And to sort of elongate. Does it look like a spider web? Yeah, I think probably what I should have done is worked more this way than this way. This looks like a really freaking droopy spider web. Aww. Oh, and I just realized I was making like rounded shapes and she was going inverted. I did the wrong thing. Poop. Yeah, mine doesn't really look like a spider web. Okay, so on the other side I'm going to try and do a bat wing. Actually, I might as well connect this. So starting with like a really long line. I'm taking a different eyeliner to fill this in just because I don't like using this one on its own for eyeliner. And this one is very black. It's another NYX eyeliner. It's the That's the Point eyeliner in Hella Fine. Figure I might as well use it, just, you know, I'm trying to avoid using it as just a winged eyeliner. I don't think this bat wing is angled up enough. I mean, that doesn't look terrible. It's just not as good as it could be. On both sides, they're not terrible, just not as good as they could be. I think if I had angled this upward a bit more, it would have been a little bit more effective. And on this side, if I'd maybe stopped at the 4th rung and then maybe added one more up this way instead of heading more downward, and then not rounded the net but inverted it like that. That was a mistake on my part. But I mean, they're not horrible, I don't think. So I'll just pop some mascara on. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Perversion mini mascara I have. This stuff really smudges on me, but you know, gonna use it since it's just really small. So what do you think, pass or fail? All I can say is I tried and it was kind of fun to do, so I might try again at some point and, you know, try and fix it, get it a little bit better. For first attempt, I don't think it was that bad. So thanks for watching. I post Mondays and Fridays here on this channel in the afternoons Eastern time, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!